How to make a student payment with TransferMate Education. Follow my instructions. TransferMate is a global payment platform that helps students pay tuition and fees safely. It allows you to send money directly to your university or college in your local currency. The process is secure, transparent, and usually saves you money compared to regular bank transfers. Start by going to your university's payment portal or directly to TransferMate's website. Select the option to pay tuition or student fees. Enter your country, the institution you're paying, and the amount owed. Next, you'll be asked to register with TransferMate. Provide your name, email, student ID, and billing details. Make sure you enter the exact reference number or student ID so the payment is linked to your account. Now choose your preferred payment method. This could be a bank transfer, debit card, credit card, or other local payment option. TransferMate will lock in the exchange rate and show you the exact amount you'll be charged. After confirming your payment, you'll get a receipt and email confirmation. Your university will also be notified once the payment is processed. Depending on your country and method, it may take a few business days for funds to clear. That's it. Your tuition is paid securely with TransferMate Education. Thanks for watching.